Welcome to Wopecar, Ghana's fastest growing online car rental platform located in Accra. At Wopecar, we connect car owners to prospective clients looking to rent on the go. Wopecar has partnered with Paystack to make bookings easier and safer. Now, you can make your bookings and payments via mobile money, Visa and MasterCard. To ensure flexibility, you have an option for cancellation. To book a car, visit www.wopecar.com and navigate to the cars page. Select from the inventory of cars your preferred brand, model, and price. Fill the form on the right side of the page with your information, and then upload a copy of your driver's license and utility bills as proof of residence. Complete the reservation by selecting a booking date and a return date. Finally, choose your price and submit your booking. You will receive an SMS and email to confirm your booking. Return to your user dashboard and click on Rentals to find your approved reservation and make payments via the preferred payment option. Representatives from Wopecar will call you to confirm your booking and delivery location. Your booking is now complete. Wopecar, your journey starts here.